In fact, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's meet with his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina is likely to resolve key border issues in the east as well, including the land row in Assam. With reports of India agreeing to cede Bangladeshi occupied land, strong opposition to the proposal has already begun in Assam.
When Prime Ministers Manmohan Singh and Sheikh Hasina meet in Dhaka, on their agenda could be a possible land swap deal. Hundreds of acres of land under Bangladeshi possession could be ceded to settle the border issue.
और border dispute भी है और land का भी dispute है बांग्लादेश और इंडिया का साथ। असम का भी border है, मेघालय की भी border है और त्रिपुरा की भी border है, मिजोरम का भी है, वेस्ट बंगाल का, बांग्लादेश का, वेस्ट बंगाल का भी है। सबका जो सेटलमेंट करने को चाहते हैं, रिलेशन डेवलप करने को चाहते हैं, वही हम लोग का जो मुख्य उद्देश्य है।
But in Guwahati there is a strong sentiment against giving away Assam's land to Bangladesh.
Not an inch of land of Assam must not be given to Bangladesh. We cannot compromise with our land. And if it is true, if this plan is true, then the government of India is again neglecting the interest of Assam.
The contention that because it has been possessed or it was in illegal occupation of Bangladesh, so that land will be allowed to be given to Bangladesh is strongly opposed by us.
Like water, land remains an emotive issue. So when the Prime Minister gets down to the nitty-gritties of changing ties with Bangladesh, he will have to keep in mind the sentiments back home in Assam. With Arindam in Guwahati, Sanjana Chauhan, Times Now.